Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change date and time on your Nintendo Switch Lite. To do this, you'll need to click on the home button, then enter the system settings. Now let's scroll down to the bottom to find the system, enter it, then scroll down and look for date and time. From here, if you enter this specific setting, you'll be able to change synchronize internet with synchronize your time with internet help, and also you can choose a different time zone. And if you choose to turn off the synchronized clock via internet, you'll be able to set up the date and time manually. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.